Hello again. Another weekend with weather warnings in force for wind and rain. The wind's particularly strong across southern areas on Saturday. The rain especially heavy across the southwest and the northeast, and that will linger into Sunday as well. It's all from an area of low pressure swinging in through the early hours of Saturday morning, and just look at those isobars really squeezing together across the southwest. So the wind's really picking up here first thing on Saturday, and then those strong winds transferring across the south as the low heads across England and Wales. All the while, this weather front lingering across the southwest and this one lingering across the northeast. That will provide persistent rain. Let's deal with those winds though first of all, increasing through the nights and in the southwest early on Saturday, gusts of 50, 60 around coast, maybe 70 miles an hour, perhaps in some exposed areas even a bit more than that. Those kind of winds could cause some damage, certainly cause some travel disruption. Those strong winds transferring along the south coast, particularly lively through Dorset, Hampshire and the Isle of Wight through Saturday morning. Further easter winds likely to be 40, 50 mile an hour gusts, maybe around coast 60 miles an hour. So again, that could cause some disruption. Then we've got the rainfall, a band of rain swinging in across the south and lingering across parts of southwest England and Wales into the afternoon. And all the while, this rain band lingering across the far northeast. So the potential for flooding, a lot of spray, a lot of surface water on the roads. And again, disruption to travel services, buses and train services may well be affected. Let's take a look at the bigger picture through Saturday, because it won't rain everywhere. Yes, soggy across northern Scotland, certainly with the winds coming in from the North Sea, but southern Scotland, Northern Ireland, parts of northern England, dry and bright on Saturday. Could be a bit misty and murky first thing. There's that hook of rain swinging in through England and Wales, those gusty winds along the south coast, transferring from west to east. But even once the worst of the winds are over, it's still very blustery along the south coast all day with further outbreaks of rain. The rain spiralling up through the Midlands into parts of northeast England come the afternoon. Something a bit brighter for Northern Ireland, parts of southern Scotland. Could see some sunshine here, and it may brighten up across parts of the south come the afternoon at times. But in the southwest, I think we'll keep the wet and windy weather for most of the day. Temperature-wise, a bit of brightness, could see highs into the teens, but generally 10 or 11 Celsius, and feeling cooler with the wet and windy weather. Now the winds will ease a little bit further on Saturday evening if you're heading out for a bonfire firework display, but it's certainly going to be wet underfoot and there will be more rain falling over Wales, parts of the Midlands, northeast England and still across northern Scotland, where the warning remains in force into Sunday. Something a bit drier still for Northern Ireland, parts of southwest Scotland. Let's take a look at Sunday's picture. You can see the swirl there, the area of low pressure, but it is tending to ease off, so the winds won't be as strong on Sunday. Still breezy, but a better chance of something a bit brighter across southern England and South Wales. And the winds, as I said, still noticeable, particularly in northern Scotland, but not as strong as on Saturday. Temperature-wise, similar on Sunday, peaking at 10, 11, maybe 13 or 14 with a bit of brightness across the south. Because the winds will be a little bit light, it might just feel a touch warmer on Sunday. But overall, expect some more wet and windy weather to come this weekend. Please make sure you stay up to date with the very latest weather warnings. Best way to do that, download the Met Office app or follow us on social media.